Good morning. Today I will discuss two topics, the fine tuning of the universe and how it may point to a supernatural being, and the objection to the phrase sex assigned at birth from a scientific perspective. The first one is the fine tuning of the universe. Um, the universe operates with incredible precision. Um, Scientists discovered that uh, many physical constants in nature are perfectly balanced for life to exist. This idea is called the fine tuning of the universe. One example is gravity. If gravity were slightly stronger, um, stars would uh, stars would burn too fast, and life would not survive. And uh, if gravity were slightly stronger, um, stars would stars and planets might never form. Another example is the universe after the Big Bang, the expansion rate of the universe after the Big Bang. If the universe expanded too quickly, galaxies would never form, and if it expanded too slowly naman, the universe um, would collapse on itself. Because of this extraordinary precision, many philosophers and scientists believe that the universe may have been designed by an intelligent supernatural being. To illustrate this, imagine finding, I know, I have a watch here. A watch contains many small parts working together perfectly. As you can see, no one would reasonably assume that this watch appeared by accident. Its complexity suggests designer. The same way, many supporters of the fine-tuning argument says the universe precise and constant suggests the existence of intelligent creator. Although this does not scientifically prove God with absolute certainty, it is considered by many evidence that the universe was intentionally designed rather than formed purely by chance. So the next one is sex assigned. The phrase "sex assigned at birth." Some people object to this phrase because they believe biological sex is usually observed and not scientifically and not arbitrarily assigned. Scientifically, biological sex is commonly determined by chromosomes, reproductive organs, hormones, and uh, human developmental biology. Most humans are biologically male or female based on these characteristics. Doctors usually identify sex at birth by observing physical anatomy, and because of this, critics argue that the word assigned uh, may incorrectly imply that sex is only a social label or construct, um, rather than biological reality. Um, I didn't have an illustration for this, pero uh, I will explain it briefly na lang. Um, Science also recognizes rare condition called intersex conditions or difference of sex development, where biological characteristics may not fit typical male or female categories. Um, Because of these rare situations, some medical institutions use the phrase sex assigned at birth to describe the classification recorded when a baby is born. Still, critics argue that most cases sex is randomly assigned, and instead it is identified from biological evidence. And in conclusion, the fine tuning is uh, the fine tuning of the universe is often used as an argument supporting the possibility of intelligent or supernatural creator because of the universe's extraordinary precision. Meanwhile, objections to the phrase sex assigned at birth mainly come from the belief that biological sex is generally observed through scientific and biological characteristics rather than simply chosen or socially assigned. And that's all, and thank you for listening. By the way, sir, I passed this video a little late because my brother had an accident and I didn't have time to record this. Also nga na ako po yung nagbantay sa kanya sa ospital, and wala pong iba kasi kami lang pong dalawa dito sa bahay. That's why napas ko ito ng late po. I'm very sorry, and thank you for your kind and consideration. Thank you.